Hi everyone, welcome to 9 to 12. I'm John, and joining me today...
Hi guys, I'm Charlotte.
There is a place in Singapore designed entirely around one thing, making our brains feel good. It's called Dopamine Land. And today, Charlotte and I are going to go around, explore all the different rooms, and see what exactly it does to our brains.
This is going to be so good.
So good. Mission accepted. Let's go. So this is Cushion Clash. It's a room full of cushions and a big bouncy floor. And it's... Oh, Charlotte. Did you know physical play like this causes our body to release endorphins, which are our body's feel-good chemicals? Basically, every time we laugh, our brain rewards us for it. Ooh, cool. Yeah, okay, so this is the chroma dance.
Okay, you have to dance.
I don't have to do anything. Did you know music and rhythm directly stimulate dopamine in your brain? That feeling you get when your favorite song comes on and you just have to move? That's your brain lighting up on cue.
Is that what's happening to you right now?
Yeah, that's what's happening to me right now.
This feels different.
Yeah, it's so calm. Did you know that exposure to natural environments has been shown to lower our cortisol level? Cortisol is the hormone our body releases when it's stressed. Nature is essentially telling our brain to stand down. Dopamine gets talked a lot about these days, usually in the context of phones, games, and social media. But Dopamine Land shows us that our brains are wired to feel joy in the simple things. You don't always need a screen to feel good. Sometimes you just need the right room.
Hiya!
Hiya! Hiya! Oh, she got me again. Oh. 9 rooms, 1 brain, and a whole lot of cushions. So here's my question. Which of your senses do you think you take for granted the most? See you next time. I'm just gonna put this back here. Doesn't really help.